In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a blog on Blogger.com. Now you might think there's some intricate software or files you need to download and set up, but with Blogger.com, it's far simpler. This platform is hosted and managed by Google, so there's absolutely nothing to install. All you need to get started is an active Google account, and you're ready to embark on your blogging adventure. To kick things off, open up your preferred web browser and head over to www.blogger.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. It's a straightforward process, and there are plenty of guides to help you set up a Google account if you need assistance. Now that you're signed into Blogger, let's create your new blog. Right there on the dashboard, you'll notice an option saying Create New Blog. Give that a click. You'll first need to come up with an engaging title for your blog, something that captures what your blog is all about and draws readers in. Once you've decided on a title, the next step is to choose a blog address. This address will serve as your blog's URL and might look something like your blogname.blogspot.com. Remember, the address needs to be unique, so it might take a few tries to find one that's available. Once you find an available address, click Next to proceed. You're almost there. The next screen will prompt you to enter your display name. A display name is how your readers will know you on Blogger, so feel free to use your real name, a nickname, or your blog's brand name. Whatever fits your style. Once you've got your display name ready, go ahead and click Finish. With your blog set up, it's time to add some personal flair to it by choosing a theme. Head over to the Theme section where you'll find a selection of Blogger's built-in themes. These themes give your blog a distinct look and feel, aligning with the vibe you want to create. Blogger themes are customizable too, so you can tweak colors and layouts. If you prefer something more personalized, you can even upload a custom XML template. Once you've found a theme you like, simply click Apply to set it. Now the moment you've been waiting for, creating your first post. On your Blogger dashboard, find and click the New Post button. Start off by adding a catchy title that grabs attention. Then dive into writing your content. Share your thoughts, stories, or expertise with your future readers. Feel free to enrich your post with images or videos, capturing that extra layer of engagement. When you're happy with your draft and confident it's ready to be shared with the world, hit Publish. And there you have it. Your blog is live and you've published your very first post. Congratulations on taking the first steps into the blogging world. Happy blogging.